Imagine a time when giant creatures bigger than anything we could ever imagine ruled the Earth. But here's the terrifying part. These giants walked the Earth just 65 million years ago. Yes, dinosaurs, but what happened to them? Why did they vanish? Was it a simple accident or something far more catastrophic? Dinosaurs are some of the most fascinating creatures to have ever roamed our planet. But what exactly were they? How did they come into existence? What did they do during their reign on Earth? And most importantly, what caused their sudden and mysterious extinction? Today we're going to explore the incredible story of dinosaurs, from their origins to their eventual demise. Let's start with the basics. What exactly were dinosaurs? Well, dinosaurs were a group of reptiles that lived millions of years ago. Some were as small as chickens, while others were bigger than a blue whale. What made dinosaurs so unique? It's that they evolved into many different shapes and sizes. Some had feathers, others had scales, some were plant eaters, and some were fierce meat eaters. In fact, the largest land dinosaur, the Argentinosaurus, weighed as much as 100 tons. Dinosaurs weren't a single species. They were a whole category of reptiles. There were hundreds of different kinds. But they all shared one thing. They belonged to a group known as Dinosauria, which means terrible lizards in Greek, even though many of them weren't lizards at all. The origin of dinosaurs dates back to the Triassic period, over 230 million years ago. But how did these giant creatures come into being? Well, it all started with smaller, simpler reptiles. These early creatures, called archosaurs, lived in the Triassic period. Through millions of years of evolution, some of these reptiles began to develop into the mighty dinosaurs we think of today. Imagine this. A creature the size of a dog evolved into something that could grow to be as tall as a building. How? It was all thanks to the environment. The Earth had different temperatures, food sources, and predators, which made it possible for dinosaurs to adapt and evolve into all sorts of shapes and sizes. Over time, the dinosaurs split into two main groups, the Saurischia, which includes the fearsome theropods like T-Rex, and the Ornithischia, the plant-eating dinosaurs like Triceratops. For about 165 million years, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Imagine that while humans have only been around for about 200,000 years, dinosaurs were here for over 160 million years. During their reign, dinosaurs performed some fascinating activities. Some, like the Brachiosaurus, ate leaves from the tallest trees, while others, like the Velociraptor, hunted in packs. There were even flying dinosaurs, like Pterosaurs, which soared through the skies. These creatures played crucial roles in the ecosystems of their time. Some dinosaurs were hunters, others were prey, and some were even scavengers. They shaped the Earth's landscapes and plant life. But then something catastrophic happened. About 65 million years ago, the world changed forever. An asteroid about 6 miles wide struck the Earth near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact caused a massive explosion and created a crater over 100 miles wide. This wasn't just any asteroid impact, it set off a series of events that would ultimately wipe out the dinosaurs. The explosion released so much energy that it created wildfires, a nuclear winter, and blocked out the sun for months, maybe even years. Without sunlight, plants died, and the herbivores that depended on them began to starve. Without food, the carnivores starved too. The world turned cold, dark, and inhospitable. About 75% of life on Earth, including the dinosaurs, vanished. It was one of the most terrifying mass extinctions in Earth's history. Although the dinosaurs are long gone, their legacy lives on. Birds, believe it or not, are direct descendants of certain groups of dinosaurs, especially theropods. So the next time you see a bird, you're actually looking at a living, flying dinosaur. Also, the fossils of dinosaurs have helped scientists unlock secrets about Earth's past, allowing us to understand how life evolved and how catastrophic events can change the course of history. So the next time you think about dinosaurs, remember, they were much more than just giant lizards. They were complex, evolving creatures that ruled the Earth for millions of years, only to be brought down by an asteroid. But in their extinction, they made way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. Isn't it amazing how the history of our planet is shaped by events beyond our control? Who knows what other mysteries are hidden in Earth's past?